Students, I welcome you all to my channels. So here is a video for you on the coordinate geometry in continuation with the previous videos. The question here is find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3 and -5, 3 and -2 and 3 and 2. So this is, let the quadrilateral be ABCD is a quadrilateral whose vertices ABCD I have written here. So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So join one diagonal AC. The area of the quadrilateral will be equal to the area of triangle So area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. क्योंकि क्वाड्रिलेटरल में दो ट्रायंगल बनी हैं, दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के एरिया को ऐड करके सो दैट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल ABC. सो इन ट्रायंगल ABC, so coordinates of the point A are -4, -2. So B is -3, -5 and C is 3 and -2. The area will be area of triangle ABC given by the formula 1/2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ प्लस x3 इंटू y1 माइनस y2. So this is the formula for the area of the triangle. So x1 here is -4 and y2 is -5, y3 is -2 तो बन गया +2 -3 इंटू -3 इंटू -2 +2 x3 is 3 -2 +5. सो वही वैल्यू फार्मूले के तरीके से वैल्यू पुट करनी है. Angle is equal to (1/2) into so -4 multiply by -3 into और ये हो गया 0 प्लस 3 इंटू ये हो गया 2 5 minus 2 that is 3. So 1/2 से हो गया को मल्टीप्लाई करके 12 इससे 0 इससे 9. So ये गया 1/2 into 21 that is 21/2 square units. तो एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल इज 21/2 स्क्वायर यूनिट्स. अब ट्राइंगल है ऊपर वाली ट्राइंगल ACD. In triangle ACD, the coordinates of point A is -4 and -2, where C is 3 and minus 2, and D is 2 and 3. The area of triangle ACD will be given by formula again, x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, 1 upon 2, x1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 2, and y3 is 3, x2 is 3, y3 again 3 plus 2. उसके बाद x3 is 2 and a1 is minus 2 minus 2 हो गया plus 2, 1 upon 2 into minus 4, so minus 5, 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0. So 1 upon 2 into 20 plus 15 plus 0. तो ये आ गया 1 upon 2 into 35. तो आ गया 35 upon 2 square unit. So area of triangle ACD is 35 upon 2 square units. So area of the quadrilateral ABCD area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ABC is 21 upon 2 square unit and area of triangle ACD is 35 upon 2 square units. So 2 is LCM, so 21 plus 35, that is 56 upon 2 square units, 28 square units. So answer is the area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units. So this is the answer for the questions. We have to find the area of the quadrilaterals. The area is 28 square units. Next question. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose verses are A is 4 and minus 6, B is 3 and minus 2, and C is 5 and 2. So let AD is a median. Let AD be the median of the triangle ABC. So D is the midpoint of BC. So AD is the median. So given is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of A are 4 and minus 6. So coordinate of B are 3 and minus 2. While coordinate of C are 5 and 2. So D is the midpoint of, so since D is a midpoint of BC, therefore coordinate of D are point D are using the formula x1 upon x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 3 plus 5 upon 2 and minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So AD is a median, so coordinate of D will be, so 3 plus 5 upon 2 minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So that will be 8 upon 2 and 0 upon 2, 4 and 0. Now we have to find the area of these two triangles ABD and ACD. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So in triangle ABD, so coordinate A are 4 and minus 6, so B is 3 and minus 2, whereas D is 4 and 0. So area of triangle will be, area of triangle ABD will be 1 upon 2 into x1 is 4 minus y2 minus y3 plus 3 into 0 plus 6 plus, so formula is 1 upon 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is x1, x2, y2 minus y3, and this is x2, y3 minus y1, then x3 is 4 into minus 6 plus 2, y1 minus y2. So 1 upon 2, so ये आ गया minus 8, 4 into minus 2, then 3 into 6 is 18, और उसके बाद आ गया, so 4 into minus 6, इससे आ गया घटा के minus 4. So 1 upon 2, so minus 8 plus 18 minus 16, तो इस तरीके से आया 1 upon 2, ये अगर 24 minus 18 is minus 6, so minus 3 square units, but the area cannot be negative, so that will be numerically 3 square units. The area is a positive quantity, so area cannot be negative terms, so the area of this triangle numerically will be 3 square units. इसका एरिया आया 3 square units. अब हमें निकालना है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ACD. In triangle ACD, the coordinate of A again 4 minus 6, C is 5 and 2, whereas D is 4 and 0. So area of triangle ACD, again using the same formula, फार्मूला मैं लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर x1 इंटू y2 माइनस y3 प्लस x2 इंटू y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 इंटू y1 माइनस y2. x1 is 4, 2 minus 0, x2 is 5, y3 is 0 plus 6, 4, so minus 6 minus 2, 1 upon 2, 4 into 2 is 8, 5 into 6 is 30 और ये हो गया प्लस 4 इंटू माइनस 8, 1 upon 2, 8 plus 30 minus 32, that comes equal to 6. 38 minus 32, that is 6, and multiply 1 by 2, that is again 3 square units. So the area for this triangle again 3 square units. So ये प्रूव हो गया कि दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का जो एरिया है दैट इज इक्वल टू देयरफॉर द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD is equal to area of ट्रायंगल ACD. तो इसलिए प्रूव हो गया कि ये जो मीडियन है दैट डिवाइड्स द ट्रायंगल इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स ऑफ इक्वल एरिया. सो देयरफॉर मीडियन AD divides triangle ABC in two triangles of equal areas, hence proved. The next question, determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a line segment given 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Divides the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2. The point A here is with coordinate 2 and minus 2, and the other point B is having coordinate 3 and 7. And this is a line which is dividing the line joining A and B. So let the given line two x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line joining A 2 minus 2 and B 3 7 in the ratio k is to 1 at point C. So therefore M1 is equal to K, M2 is equal to 1. The coordinate of point will be coordinates of point C are given by the formula, section formula. Section formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and that is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is a formula for the coordinate of the C. This is called a section formula. So the k is, the first is m1 is k and m2 is 1. So cross multiply is, the x coordinate will be, so m1 is k multiplied by 3 plus, so 1 multiply 2 upon k plus 1. The y coordinate, so k multiply 7 plus 1 multiply minus 2 upon k plus 1. So you will get 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1, and other is 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. So this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinates of this point C. But the point C lies on the line 2x plus y minus 4. इसके साथ इसको कंपेयर करेंगे. So since point C lies on the line, since point C lies on the line segment 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. तो वैल्यू पुट करेंगे अब x और y की वैल्यू. सो 2 इंटू x कोऑर्डिनेट है 3k प्लस 2, 3k प्लस 2 अपॉन k प्लस 1, एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट इज 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. अब इसको ब्रैकेट्स सॉल्व करें. सो 2 इंटू 3k हो गया 6k प्लस 4 अपॉन k प्लस 1, 7k माइनस 2 अपॉन k प्लस 1 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो एलसीएम सो हो गया 6k प्लस 4 अपॉन k प्लस 1, 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1 minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So 6k plus 4, 7k minus 2, so minus 4k minus 4 is equal to 0. So 6k plus 7k माइनस 4k, ये कैंसिल हुआ तो माइनस 2 इजकल टू 0. ये आगे 9k माइनस 2 इजकल टू 0. सो 9k इजकल टू 2. k की वैल्यू हुई 2 अपॉन 9. अब सिंस m1 इज टू रेशियो जो है, सिंस m1 इज टू m2 बराबर था k इज टू 1, 2 अपॉन 9 इज टू 1, तो रेशियो बनी 2 इज टू 9. तो जो आंसर हमसे पूछा था, द लाइन सेगमेंट डिवाइड्स इन द ए बी सेगमेंट द रेशियो ऑफ 2 इज टू 1. द आंसर इज 2 इज टू 9. तो इस रेशो में ये लाइन सेगमेंट जो है ए बी को डिवाइड्स करता है 2 इज टू 9. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The next question, find a relation between x and y if the points x and y, 1 and 2 and 7, 0 are collinear. So let the given points, so A is x, y, B 1 and 2 and C 7 and 0. So we have to prove these 3 points are collinear. So for the collinear, if the points are collinear, the area of the triangle ABC will be equal to 0. For collinear points, so area of triangle ABC so for collinear points, मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ पॉइंट्स के नाम A, B and C are collinear. For collinear points A, B and C, the area of the triangle ABC should be equal to 0. Therefore, so area of triangle ABC will be 1/2 into x1 y2 minus y1 y3 x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that will be equal to 0. Substituting the values, x1 is x, y2 is 2, y3 is 0, x2 is 1, y3 is 0 and y1 is y, x3 7 and y1 is y and y2 is 2, that is 0. The area of the triangle is equal to 0 if the points are collinear. So 1/2 से जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो 0 हो जाएगा. सो इसलिए तो हो गया x इंटू 2 माइनस 0, 1 इंटू 0 माइनस y, 7 इंटू y माइनस 2, that is equal to 0. So x into 2, so 2x plus 1 into minus y, so that is minus 1y, 7 into y plus 7y, 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14, and that is equal to 0. तो ये बन गया 2x, इसमें से 1 माइनस किया तो हो गया प्लस 6y माइनस 14 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसे 2 से डिवाइड किया तो हो गया x प्लस 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the relation between x and y. So we have to find the relation between x and y if the points are collinear. So for collinear points, the points to be collinear, the relation between x and y is x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the answer for the question. So dear students, I have given you solutions for most of the questions here. So I request you to share and like the videos and subscribe the channels. Thank you. Have a nice day.